Most freelancers qualify for digital nomad visas. They just don't know it yet because the application was designed to make them think they don't. According to MBO Partners' 2025 research, digital nomads have increased by 153% since 2019 and now make up roughly 12% of the entire U.S. workforce. The demand is massive, but the visa system was not built with freelancers in mind, and most people never figure out how to work around that. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to qualify for a digital nomad visa as a freelancer, including which countries actually accept freelance income, what documents you need to replace that employer letter, and the one income documentation trick that 99% of applicants miss completely. Here's what you need to know right now. Over 30 countries will approve your freelance application if you present your documents in the right format. That's what this video is about. I've spent months researching over 50 different visa programs and the exact documentation that gets freelancers approved. Stay until the end, because the last point is the one that actually ties everything together. Let's start with the biggest misconception in this entire space. Most digital nomad visa programs were designed with a very specific person in mind. That person works for a company in another country, gets a payslip every month, and can hand over an employment contract on